Belgian flag history. The Belgian flag is one of the most recognizable national flags in the world. It has a rich history that is closely tied to the country's struggle for independence and its subsequent development as a modern nation. Belgium was once a part of the Spanish Netherlands and later came under the control of Austria and France. However, in 1830, a revolution broke out in Brussels, leading to the establishment of an independent, constitutional monarchy in Belgium. In the years following its independence, Belgium struggled to establish a strong national identity. It wasn't until the adoption of the current flag in 1831 that the country finally had a unifying national symbol. The design of the Belgian flag features three vertical stripes, black, yellow, and red. The black stripe represents the historical region of Flanders in the north of the country, while the yellow stripe represents the historical region of Wallonia in the south. The red stripe symbolizes the blood that was shed during the country's struggle for independence. While the flag was officially adopted in 1831, its design had actually been in use for several years prior to that. During the Revolution of 1830, Belgian troops had worn yellow and red colors, and the flag's design was based on this symbol. Over the years, the Belgian flag has come to be associated with the country's rich history and culture. It is flown at many official government buildings, as well as at public events and national holidays. Today, the Belgian flag is recognized around the world as a symbol of the country's independence, unity, and strength. It is a proud symbol of the Belgian people and their achievements. The current design of the Belgian flag was officially adopted on January 23, 1831, just a few months after the country gained independence from the Netherlands. The design was based on the colors of the coat of arms of the medieval Duchy of Brabant, which was a prominent state in the region that is now Belgium. The flag features three vertical stripes of equal width, black, yellow, and red. The black stripe represents the historical region of Flanders in the north of the country, while the yellow stripe represents the historical region of Wallonia in the south. The red stripe symbolizes the blood that was shed during the country's struggle for independence. The colors of the Belgian flag are also associated with the ideals of the French Revolution: black for liberty, yellow for equality, and red for fraternity. During World War II, the Belgian government in exile used a variant of the flag that featured a small lion in the center of the yellow stripe. In 1998, a law was passed that established the official shades of black, yellow, and red for the Belgian flag. These shades are now used in all official government materials. The Belgian flag is often flown alongside the European Union flag, as Brussels is the capital of both Belgium and the EU. The Belgian flag has inspired the design of other national flags, including the flag of Germany, which features the same colors in a horizontal orientation.